Hi. This is my final goodbye. I think that this class was definitely very useful and I learned a lot of information. At times it was difficult. I felt doing the backwards design was a little bit harder than I expected. But I had a really great partner that I worked with throughout the whole semester, and she really was able to help me, and we were able to work together to complete the lesson. And I think we did a really good job. It was a lot of fun doing the lesson and coming up with picking your own standard and substandard and being able to choose what activities you want to do for your lesson. So that was a lot of fun. The class was definitely challenging, but I'm glad I worked through it and I was able to complete the class and do the best I could. I hope everyone has a great summer, and I look forward to coming back on campus next semester. Have a good day.